Hey, how you all doing? So I haven't been on here for a while, so I thought I'd do a little quick video here, show you this stuff I got here. These are some chunks of wood I got from a friend that has a lot of this kind of stuff on hand, so he let me pick out some pieces that I liked, and I'm going to start messing with these. They're going to have to dry for a while, so I won't be able to do much with them for now, but this is the start of a project that's probably going to be months away from being done. But I just thought I'd use them as a kind of a prop to give me an excuse to talk to you all. So I haven't been on here for a while, but I'm going to be doing some more videos, more projects, and I think it'll be fun. So looking forward to that. And right now I'm going to take some of this glue that I have. I have a whole bunch of wood glue, and think I'm going to use that to put a coat on here to protect that cut end so that it'll dry out uniformly. And set these aside somewhere safe and let them dry for however long, and then figure out what I'm going to do with them in the meantime. So, but anyway, yeah, just wanted to say hi and get back out here and show you that I'm still out here. I'm going to work on some more projects, and so watch for those coming up. Thanks.